Good Sunday! That's right, we're making Shellfish Sorrento Macaroni. It's an A&P recipe from 1957. We're changing the recipe a little bit. Recipe's in the description. Original recipe called for canned shrimp. I'm sorry. You know, I can go with the canned crab meat, but we can't go with canned shrimp. It would be mushy. So we boiled some frozen shrimp. What I really liked about this is that you kind of mix all the ingredients together in your pot and you top it with cheese and put it under the broiler. There's no baking. We've got a cup of milk, cream of mushroom soup, blah 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 blah, crab meat, quarter cup of pimentos, garlic powder and cayenne powder. It says garlic salt, but we're using garlic powder, so I changed that. It calls for 3 ounces of sliced mushrooms. That's 4 ounces. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them all. We'll find out. And a cup of parmesan. Half into the mixture, half on the toppings. I think I'm going to add some Monterey Jack that I've grated also to the topping. 8 ounces of macaroni. 1957, Shellfish Sorrento. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
Close the window and your eye disappear into the blue. Wrap your fingers around the great escape. Drinking moonshine on the moon. It's got you feeling like a queen, but you're not quite. Looking down on those traveling lights, I'd best be on my way. And I'm on my way. This torch is heavy. Floating down that moving sidewalk, I go clear-eyed and calm. Don't want the fruit from that still life.
I've never bought canned mushrooms in my life. I've always cooked mushrooms from scratch. Let's get a piece of shrimp and a mushroom. A piece of shrimp and mushroom. I can taste the cayenne. I like that. It's got a little bit of heat. I think it looks delicious. I think it tastes very good. I'm going to gladly eat the whole thing. Let's finish this. I'm going to finish this. It tastes very good. It has a very nice flavor. Oh my. It really has a very nice flavor. All right, one more bite. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Mmm.